look at the pecs. You've still got it, Trevor.
Working out, yeah. I tell you, all this now, lockdown has me in serious shape. I hit the bottle for the first 2 weeks, and then the young fellas had me in the gym. They put in the gym over there themselves, in fairness to them. All the gear arrived. They're in there twice a day, Monday to Friday, and I'm in once a day. So I get dragged in by either Dan or Josh, depending on the day, you know.
It looks like nice weather in Toulouse. How's Toulouse doing? How's France doing?
France, it's been hit pretty bad. Toulouse hasn't been too bad. It's been more north and further down south, but they don't want you going out within 2-3 kilometres of your house unless it's for, you know, essentials like shopping. I'm sure it's the same in Ireland. For myself, I can get away with it because, you know, I'm just down there checking on the bars. I, you know, have a paper to show that I have the pub, and there's no problem if I'm stopped. I can get out and about a bit more than other people.
Hey, Richie. Thanks a million. I was waiting for these and was falling for a nice pint of Guinness.
No problem, mind yourself.
Thanks a million, Richie.
Mind yourself.
Billy. Aha!
A lovely pint of Guinness.
Oh man.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. You wouldn't get better at James's Gate. Beautiful.
Oh my God. That's the best Guinness advertisement I've ever seen in my life. What does it feel like getting a dial a pint?
It's great. It's beautiful. Something to look forward to.